Welcome to TechLeaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix USB to HDMI adapter not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, this can happen because of menu issues. Your softwares might be corrupted, or maybe your hardware issue is present there. If it's a software issue, we're gonna try to fix it. So what you have to do is just go to your start button and right click on it, and then just go ahead and click on device manager. Then just expand this. From here, just expand other devices, and you'll see your USB to HDMI adapter over here. And after you see it, you simply just gotta right click on it and click on update driver. And after that, just click on search automatically for drivers, and it's gonna upgrade your drivers. If it says already upgraded to the latest drivers, you don't have to do anything. And after that, what you have to do is just go to your universal serial bus controllers, and if you see your USB controller or USB adapter here, update that driver too, and then just click on it and click on scan for hardware changes. Then just close all this. Then just go ahead and simply restart your computer, and hopefully your problem should be fixed. And basically that is how to fix USB to HDMI converter not working on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.